Prayog, we are doing a trial of Jalaneti, and the advantages are many, but particularly here in Coimbatore we are doing it for keeping the pollens at bay and keeping the cough and cold that we are having and the accumulation of phlegm in the sinuses. And this is the Rambad, and what you need for this exercise is warm water, lukewarm water with as pure salt as you can get, and lukewarm towards the warmer side, so that as much as you can bear, not too hot, but few of you tasted it, and salt as much as you can handle it, and do it for 1 week, you do it for 10 days, do it for 15 days till your all sinuses are clear, and after that you can continue once or twice a week. And whenever the pollen season begins, you know you're catching something, immediately start, or if you know this is the season, so 15 days before you start doing this, and you will not catch the hay fever that everyone is suffering from. So we have taken the hot water in the pot. This is the Neti pot. I have filled the salted warm water in it, and all we are doing is, this is called Jalaneti as we said, and we are going to pour this warm water, salted warm water, through one nostril, and the water should come out from the other nostril. And while we are doing this, most important point that we have to remember is you should be breathing not through your nose. Very, very important. If you breathe through your nose, the water will go into your sinuses. You will breathe it in, like when you go for swimming and you by mistake you breathe the water in. So not that. You are breathing by your mouth. So first, bend a little bit. Put it in your right nostril if you want to, and tilt your head a little bit, and you don't have to keep tilting the head, but keep taking the hand up with the Neti pot. Keep breathing by your mouth. So that's one nostril. When it is done, clean it. Where's my ek napkin dena? Huh? Make sure when you are doing this, if after blowing out, if there is something and you feel that there sometimes phlegm is there, and if you do like that, don't take it in, it collects here, spit it out. Again, we fill up this Neti pot. Okay, and this time, left hand and the left nostril. Again we bend down on our knees, head a bit tilted, and let the gravity do its job. Keep breathing from your mouth before you start pouring the water. Okay, that's done. Blow it out. थोड़ा पहुंचना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. So this is one round. Do one more round like this, and do it every day. If you want to do it, if you're feeling more, do it 2 times a day, 3 times a day, or do it every day, and afterwards slow it down to every alternate day. Third week, slow it down to 2 times a week. Once you have cleared, or your sinuses should be clear though. You should not feel any congestion. And if you keep doing it, it will all clear up, and you will feel very light. You will feel your head very light. You will not catch any cold if you do this regularly. You are not going to have any phlegm build up, and as a result of that, cough and cold that becomes very minimal. Very quickly you can overcome. So that was Jalaneti. If it is combined with the neti, then you put water here, and the water comes out of your mouth, even the throat can get the benefit of it, and all the germs and everything they die. And all the best. Any questions?